Hello, this is Kat with Files Anywhere, and I'm here today to go over our Outlook add-on and how you can send files using it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is log into your Outlook account. Select New as if you're making a new email, and that'll open your new email window. If you've installed this correctly, you will see the Files Anywhere logo. If you click on that, it's going to take you to log in to your Files Anywhere account. Once you've entered in your login information, go ahead and click Login, and that is going to bring you to where you can add files directly to your email. Drag and drop feature, so I can just drag as many files or folders. We'll go ahead and do a folder here, and you'll see how it uploads everything to our window. And then when we hit create link, it'll automatically start to upload these files. The files will be uploaded to your account, and then you'll see where they show up in a file share link over here on the left-hand side. Once your files have been uploaded, you'll see that a link will be created in your email. And from here, you could compose your email as normal and send to whoever you'd like. That'll conclude our video for today.